Good afternoon. My name is Camila Rojas. About today biotechnology with transfer models. I have this problem three. Then, problem faced by companies to negative biotechnology products to technology transfer. I identified the next problems. First, there is still life experience transfer research results to little experience public people collaboration. Three, little experience technology commercialization and the creation of new technology basis company. It's very, very important in the experience in this topic now. Four, there are toward incentives and facilities to motivate the participation of public research personnel in technology transfer process. The incentive is a little now. Five, venture capitalists rarely invest in companies that do not operate in the area of human health and that sorry and health and that do not have parent or don't force larger markets. Six, the current situation presents uncertainty and legal insecurity, and there are forces scarf of international investors what might be interested. Seventh, private interest in collaboration with universities is less intense than is desirable in order to maintain a flight process that encourages the efficient transfer of count later to the product fabric. In this moment in our country, it's very, very, very difficult for the actual situation. Then the companies don't have motivation or a little motivation, don't have money. I think that the situation is complicated, but I have any situation, but the solution. Then for a company that want to commercialize this biotechnology innovation, taking into account the technological transfer, it's a goal adopt the following measure to be successful. Then have a team member with experience in transferring research results. It's very important. Have a good culture in technological marketing researching with companies that already have the subject in depth. A lot of research in requires to have a good marketing, have a good own resource since those offered by the government are scarce, and get a good advisor or advisory companies with experience in the subject. Well, this is all. Thank you.